Hello everyone and welcome to Homeschooling with Hira. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you some of my recently made worksheets and they are available for free on my website. And believe me, they are literally very helpful for you if you are a kindergarten teacher, an online teacher, or a mother who wants to help their kids in writing longer sentences. So let's move forward and check out these resources. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, so please do it because this channel is for you. If you are interested in English phonics, English spelling rules, English grammar, English creative writing, and above all, how to teach all this stuff to your kids in multi-sensory ways. So click the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, and without any further ado, let's dive in. Check out this worksheet first because this is the basic worksheet. Here you can see that we have three pictures. In the first box, who is it? It's a baby. What is the baby doing? He's crawling. Where is he crawling? He's crawling in the dining room, in the living room, in the house, in the entrance area. Whatever answer is acceptable, you can accept it from the child. Now it's time to ask the child, who is this in the picture? He's a baby. What is he doing? He's crawling. Where is he crawling? In the dining room. So come on, let's make a complete sentence with this. Now it's time to write. The baby is crawling in the dining room. Full stop. And here is our sentence. If you are a teacher, so it's better to keep this worksheet in a protector sheet and give children board markers to write the sentences so they can easily remove it and other kids can use the same worksheet as well. You can also put sellotape to cover this place and then children can write it with their board markers on the sellotape and you can reuse the worksheets. Let's check out the second worksheet. This worksheet is a bit advanced. Here I have added two more things. Who is doing, what is doing, how is doing, and when is doing. Where was already there in the previous worksheet as well. Here we have added how and when. So now how to frame the sentence. Here are some options given already. For example, the dolphin, what is it doing? Splashing water. How is it doing? Happily. Where? In the ocean. When? On a sunny day. Let's frame a sentence. The dolphin is splashing water happily in the ocean on a sunny day. After adding the sentence, children can also make the picture. We can have another example. A whale is searching for food carefully under the water in the afternoon. And like this, you can give choices to kids to help them understand how they can make longer sentences. This is the stage where we are preparing them to work later individually. So help them rather than test them. Okay, I'm showing you here only one worksheet of each set, but you will get multiple papers on my website. So I'll tell you shortly that how you can download those papers. Now let's check out this dice worksheet. It's a dice as I just showed you. You can also fold it in the same shape. This one has a character. The plain dice is also available on my website. You just need to cut this picture out and fold it on the dotted lines and you will get the bunny dice. The instructions are also written here how to play the game with this dice, and this activity is for a 4th and 5th grader because these are subordinate conjunctions. So now it's time to share with you that from where you can get all these resources. Let's quickly check out my laptop screen and find my website there. So open a new tab and type here Homeschooling with Hira. Worksheets, or simply just click enter. The first thing is here. You can click on this link, go to worksheets, scroll down. You will find phonics worksheets, alternative spelling worksheets, reading cards, consonant blends worksheet for spelling rules, tricky words worksheet, syllables worksheet, roll the dice worksheets, creative writing worksheet and grammar worksheet. You need to go to the grammar worksheet. Here you will find the parts of a speech worksheets, but if you scroll down, you will find sentences. Okay, now click on the first one and check this out. You have got 4 worksheets that you can download for free. Look at this arrow key. You need to click on the arrow key and it will ask you where do you want to download. This is your file name. Select the location, press save, and you will get these resources. I'm not doing it again because they are already saved with me. Let's check out. There are dice worksheets. Make it smaller. This one is for kindergartners or grade 1 students. Basic conjunctions are here to expand sentences. How they will use this, you will ask them to roll the dice and use the conjunction in their sentence, or you can give them the first part of the sentence. For example, I wanted to buy an ice cream, and then ask them to roll the dice, and if they got the word because, so they need to start the sentence with because I love to eat ice cream. And if so comes there, so they can think about it and can say, so I can share it with my friends, or anything, any possible answer. This worksheet is for subordinate conjunction. You can see the subordinate conjunctions are written here, appropriate for grade 4 and 5. Another subordinate conjunction, dice. A blank dice, you can write whatever you want here. This is a penguin shaped dice. It's the beak, you need to fit it here. Write on the dice whatever you want and you can use it in your classes. Worksheet for this thing, I'll be adding more worksheets here because I just wanted to upload the video and share with you this idea. So I have given you 2 worksheets, but stay tuned because I'll be adding the resources here in this section for sentence writing. And this is how you can get all this stuff. I am sharing a link in the description box of the video. If you click on the link, you will directly land on this page. If you want to download any other worksheets that are available here, they all are free. I would highly appreciate if you leave a comment in the comments box, if you share this video with others, and if you like the video as well. This is all from my side today. Hope you have found this video useful. I'll see you soon with something new. Take care. Bye for now, and don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.